For the final example, we are going to graph x squared, once to the right to get out of the exponent, plus 2x minus 3. Oh, I have a double plus. What's up with that? Okay, so again, x squared plus 2x minus 3. Now make your predictions. What do you think it's going to look like? Again, my coefficient of x squared is 1. It's a positive 1. The parabola is going to open up. I know it's a parabola because it's a quadratic function. My y-intercept is at negative 3. Okay, let's graph it. Yeah, pretty good. We got it. Let's play with the zoom in and out option. Why not? Zoom in. Let's see what happens. Option 2. I went to zoom, and then let's click 2. Nothing happened until you go to enter. Okay. So technically, if I wanted to see the vertex at this point, I could use this window setting, but I don't like it. So I'm going to go back to standard. Standard is option 6. Okay, zoom 6. There, I like this. That way I can see the x-intercepts. One is at negative 3. The other one is at 1. The y-intercept is at negative 3 on the y-axis. So I can see everything I need. Now, I want the vertex. It is a minimum again. So second trace. We're going to repeat the same steps we've practiced earlier. And left, 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 left. Enter. Right, 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 right. Enter. And guess. Ta-da! The minimum. And notice it even tells you the minimum is at negative 1, comma, negative 4. Now, what would happen? Let's just play with it. What would happen if my leading coefficient was not 1, but negative 1? So I'm going to do the same thing, but change my first term to a negative. Okay, so just make that prediction and see what happens. So basically, you would say negative x squared plus 2x minus 3. All right, make your own prediction. See what would happen. That's an extension. Oh, okay. I still have a y-intercept at negative 3. That didn't change. Why not? Well, my constant term is negative 3 still. So my y-intercept will remain the same. But what did change is my vertex. It's no longer a minimum. Now it's a maximum. So when your a value, because it's ax squared plus bx plus c, that's the general form for the standard form of a quadratic. So when your a term is negative, the parabola is going to point down. Okay? Now, if you determine the vertex, you would expect to select option 4. Left bound, ding, 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 ding. Right bound, and enter. That is where the vertex would be if that change of my leading coefficient was made to a negative 1. Hope you enjoyed this and learned something.